What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Purblack Peptides. I got the vascular, the joint, and the muscle peptides. And I'm reviewing these because there's something that I utilized for basically my fitness protocol. And I'll say that between the three of them, the one I noticed the biggest difference from was not the vascular, not the muscle. It was probably the joint peptide. And the reason for that is because my wrists sometimes will just crack. And I just tend to have joints sometimes that are a bit challenging, to say the least. I apologize for my voice. I lost my voice this weekend. And so with the joint peptide, I realized that my wrist was cracking less and some days not at all. In regards to the muscle peptide, my muscles have stayed about the same. The vascular, I haven't really noticed a huge difference in my heart health per se. But what you have to understand is that these peptides from Purblack there's 60 capsules per bottle. So it's a fairly small bottle. And the base of it is just amino acids. And then they add these specific peptides. So they have a specific peptide for joint, specific peptides for muscle, specific peptides for vascular. But the base of these formulas is quite literally regular amino acids, which, to be honest with you, when I got the bottles, I was like, all right, 60 capsules, it's a month's supply. So I got a month's supply of each. But considering that I only really felt a difference from joint, and these are pretty pricey bottles for, a month's supply, the joint, I would say, is probably worth it if you have some joint challenges, but muscle and vascular, I really didn't notice a huge difference. And what I personally recommend is because you have to understand that peptides, like I've done peptides injections and I've done different peptide like pills and things, and I've done peptide skin creams. I've experimented with peptides across the board. What you have to understand is peptides are short chain amino acids, okay? So when your body has amino acids, which are the building blocks for peptides, it makes those peptides. So I think a better use of your money is to just simply get perfect amino acids. With this, you get like, what is this? 300, yes, 300 tablets of the perfect amino acid, meaning it's your essential amino acids. That's why it's called perfect amino. So you get a lot more amino acids without the peptides, but the amino acids are building blocks for the peptides, 300 versus 60 pills. And I noticed also my joints improve, and my hair, my skin, my nails, my muscle tissue, everything. I gain more muscle, everything, when I take these amino acids. So I personally just recommend this. It's simpler, you don't have to have multiple, you're gonna save a lot of money, and you're getting those amino acids in still. So I'll link this up below with a discount code. With that being said, I do like that the company Purblack started by selling Shilajit. If you don't know what Shilajit is, I don't get mine from Purblack because this company, Amica or Omika Organics, which I'll link up below as well, they do extensive heavy metal testing, which I really like and appreciate. And they do like a liquid pump, they do a resin, and they also do capsules. So I know that they're cleaner because a lot of things that are harvested from the earth, as Shilajit is, it's literally well, maybe not hand harvested, but it's harvested from the earth, like from the surface of the earth in the Himalayan region. A lot of these things have heavy metals in them. And so in discovering this company, I really like it because Shilajit boosts your testosterone, obviously improves your sex drive, gives you more muscle, gives you more endurance, and these types of things. So I like that Purblack started by selling Shilajit. I just personally like and recommend the company Omega Organics. Probably their capsules if you've never had Shilajit before and you want to boost your testosterone and your endurance in the gym. These are also really great products. You're not going to like the taste of the resin or the liquid pump. So start with the capsules, and then if you can stomach it, you can sort of upgrade to these. But this company is exceptional. If you're looking to boost your HGH, or not HGH, well, I think it boosts HGH as well, but your testosterone specifically, and just increase and improve muscle health and muscle tissue and reduce recovery times, things like that. Shilajit is exceptional, and that's how Purblack started, and that's how I actually knew about this company. So their joint one's okay, vascular and muscle, not a huge fan of. Just go with amino acids, you're gonna build more muscle, and it's gonna be the building blocks for those peptides anyways. The amino acids are building blocks for proteins and peptides. And then in regards to Shilajit, which this company also sells, I recommend it. It helps you lift more, have more endurance, and stay more fit in the gym, and just in general, more energy, more endurance, reduces stress, boosts testosterone, and as a man, that kind of stuff is invaluable. So I'll link these other companies up below. But yeah, I mean, honestly, probably not worth your money to go spending whatever these were, 50, 60, 70 bucks a bottle for a month's supply of a very small amount of amino acids with specific peptides. The joint one I noticed a little difference, but that's about it. So that's it for this video. If you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. In the comment section, pinned right below, along with these other brands that are pinned, and you'll get access and discount codes to a lot of high quality brands. We're talking superfoods, supplements, health technology, red lights, hydrogen water bottles, barefoot minimalist shoes, and so much more. So check out that link below, subscribe to the channel here, leave any questions that you have in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.